Better, will you come little close? Sir,
our state head of police force, DG and IGP, Dr. Alok Mohan has arrived here. I welcome him on behalf of all the participants here and also on behalf of the organizing committee of the Karnataka Police Run. Sir, hearty welcome. Sir, Karnataka, sir. Sponsored and supported and funded by the State Bank of India. This year's run also is being sponsored by State Bank of India. Besides that, other sponsors are BMRCL and our District Youth Service and Sports Department, and others are also there. From State Bank of India, the Chief General Manager, Julie Smita Sinha, is with us today. On behalf of the organizing committee and all of us here, I welcome her. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಮಿಟಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಉಮೇಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಕೆಡಿಜಿ KSRP, ಸಂದೀಪ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ IG KSRP, ಅನುಚೇತ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ದೀಪನ್ ಕಮಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ KSRP ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಹುಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಈ ಓಟವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ NEP ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಅಡಿಗ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ತಂಡದವರು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಳೆದ ವರ್ಷವೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವರೇ ಈ ಓಟವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಈ ಸಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಅಡಿಗರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಂಡದವರಿಗೆ, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ SBIನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
the whole event. So like last year they are this year also the sponsor, and I am very hopeful that for years to come they will remain our sponsor for this particular police run. This police run is with a very specific intention is to promote the prevention and use of narcotics, as well as to spread awareness about the cyber crimes, how to prevent that. Also, a healthy lifestyle for all the people, everybody, not only for policemen. We have taken up in police department a very big initiative of for healthy police force. We have got the BMI index done for all the 1,10,000 police force done in the whole state, and our aim is to bring every person who is not fit within the department to be the fit category, and all the police commissioners, deputy commissioners, and the superintendents of police, they are working for that. Our endeavor is not only a fit police force, but our endeavor is a fitness for all. Every person, every citizen of the state should be fit, should be away from any type of addiction, which includes mainly the narcotics, to have a full control over cybercrime. For that, the awareness of the people is very important. If they are aware, they will not fall into the trap. Since unfortunately, people know that whatever is being offered on the to them in terms of any type of return on their money, which is excessive, or digital arrest, those things, they do not exist, but still people are falling prey to that. And our endeavor is not only to take against the criminals, but also to ensure that people become aware of these issues. So with that intention, we are doing this police run, and as we had decided last time, it is on the second Sunday of March. So every year it will remain second Sunday of March. So Mr. Nagaraj, it was getting enrolled for the run. This time I don't know, so we have already reached the figure. So still the registration is open, and still time is there, and I am very sure that this time we will exceed that number also. all the police department and the SBI, all the employees and the staff, they will be taking part in this. This run is also unique. It is not only in Bangalore, all over the state, in all the district headquarters, this run is being organized. And the motto is same. The purpose is to bring awareness to the people about these issues. So there are prizes also, very attractive prizes are there that we will tell in short time. I definitely appeal to everybody to come and take part. It's not a competition, it's a fun. It's a question of taking part and telling the society that yes, we are the police and the citizen, they are together in the fight against cybercrime, narcotics, keeping oneself fit, a healthy state where the citizens are not only healthy and prosperous, they are aware also about it.
Remarkable event of Karnataka State Police Run, which is for the year 2025. And last year we have seen enthusiastic participation from everyone. This year we are expecting a larger number of people to participate. And the best part is that everyone, right from youngsters to elderly people, they are participating in this run. And this gives us immense pleasure because that is how enthusiastic people of all age group are for fitness, which our police department here at Karnataka is promoting. Our partnership with the Karnataka State Police underscores our commitment to promoting fitness, community well-being and a healthier Karnataka. So, as I said, this increases the enthusiasm which is being displayed during this run. It reflects the growing awareness of fitness and social responsibility. And more than just a run, this event carries a powerful message promoting a drug-free Karnataka, raising cybercrime awareness and contributing to a greener Bangalore. So the initiative itself is very welcome, and these initiatives, they are also aligned with our SBI's values of community welfare and holistic development. So in being a partner in this run, we find that our SBI's agenda is also being pushed through in a way. So communicating to the public how to go about it, and we have also made short videos, we are distributing pamphlets to make the general public aware how to avoid getting into the trap of these cyber criminals, as well as those who are falling under digital arrest. There have been innumerable cases, I tell you, across India where SBI, through their employees who are very, very aware about these things happening, they have been able to avoid such kinds of crimes and people being fleeced of their own money. So we are also actively participating in this, and this cause is very, very close to our heart. So thank you again, sir, for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.
Sir, good afternoon to all of you. As many of you may be knowing, last year on 10th of March, we organized the first ever police run in Bengaluru from Karnataka Police. Similar runs were also organized in all the district police headquarters on the same day. It was the first edition of our Karnataka Police Run, and it was titled as Golden Jubilee Run, as it was 50 years of our Karnataka state formation. On the same line, this year we are organizing the second edition of the same Karnataka Police Run on the theme of Safe City, Safe State, that we having the customers.
ಸುರಕ್ಷತೆಗಾಗಿ ಗಣಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಗೌರವ ಸೂಚಿಸುವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಇದಾಗಿದೆ. ಪೊಲೀಸರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾಗರಿಕರು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಎಂದು